Welcome to Easy Meals with Chris. Today I'm cooking lemon bars. Please pause the video to get a good look at the ingredients. First, we are going to make the crust for the lemon bars. Mix the flour, sugar, salt, and melted butter. When well mixed, transfer to a 7 by 11 inch pan or similar size. You can line it with aluminum foil or parchment paper to make it easier to remove the lemon bars when it's finished cooking. Cook that in a 350-degree oven for 20 minutes or until lightly brown. When finished, set aside. While that is cooking, you can start working on the lemon curd. Zest some of the lemon until you get about 2 tablespoons. This does not need to be exact. Put all the ingredients, except for 4 tablespoons of cold butter, into a pan and prepare to stir a lot. Mix it constantly over a medium-low heat. You want to take it slow so the eggs do not start to cook and become lumpy. You also continually stir so the temperature is even and the eggs don't cook closer to the bottom of the pan. Cook until it reaches a temperature of 160 degrees and remove it from the heat. Add the cold butter and continue mixing until the butter has melted. We will then put the mixture through a sieve. This will remove the zest and also any eggs that happen to have cooked. Add the custard directly to the crust. It can be fresh from the oven if you cooked it at the same time. Cook that at 350 degrees for 14 or 15 minutes. If you like a firmer curd, cook for an additional minute or 2. When you are looking to see if it is done, you want to see the edges start to firm up a little and it still has some jiggle when you shake the pan lightly. Let it rest for about 30 minutes to an hour on your counter. After that, I would recommend you cool it completely in the refrigerator before removing and cutting. Cut into small squares and enjoy. Thanks for watching and have a great meal.